Discover your private sanctuary on Caulie Harris Road in Cook County, Georgia. Hayden Outdoors is offering you an opportunity to acquire this 71 plus or minus acre tract with Barndominium that offers over 4,850 square feet of living space and a 40-foot by 50-foot workshop. Located near the town of Adel, Georgia, the property is located just 40 miles north of the Florida state line and surrounded by towns of Tifton, Moultrie, and Valdosta. Valdosta is only 29 miles away for added shopping and dining opportunities and is home to the Valdosta Regional Airport. Nestled on the east end of the property, the impressive two-story Barndominium boasts a meticulously designed, heated, and cooled living space. As you enter, you're greeted by a bright and airy open floor plan with soaring ceilings that amplify the sense of space and elegance throughout the home. The heart of this home is the expansive kitchen designed with entertainers in mind. It features dual center islands topped with sleek granite countertops and ample seating for guests. Modern touches include a stylish tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances, an extra-large microwave, dishwasher, range, and oven. The meticulously crafted 4-bedroom, 4-bath residence features high-quality bare paint finishes and exquisite wood upgrades. Elegant wood ceilings and durable laminate wood floors, all complemented by a neutral wall color that creates a sophisticated backdrop. The upper level of the home is a versatile space that can serve as a recreational area or be transformed into a comfortable in-law suite. Currently, it features a lively space for playing pool and cards, with additional room for multiple guests in the end suite. In addition to the abundant storage options available in and around the home, this property includes a substantial 40-foot by 50-foot shop, fully insulated for year-round use, complete with a lean-to shed for outside storage. This property offers a secluded and secure retreat, ideal for those seeking privacy and peace. The open space is well suited for fencing, making it an excellent choice for horses or other livestock. The land boasts fertile soils, ideal for agricultural pursuits, which has been its primary use. The property is adorned with a mix of mature pine and hardwood trees, interspersed with multiple lanes and roads that navigate the varied topography. Currently, the property is set up for deer hunting, featuring strategically placed food plots, shooting houses, and well-defined lanes. It could easily be transformed into a premier horse property or adapted for various agricultural ventures. Another great feature is that this property is enrolled in the GA Conservation Use Tax Covenant. To schedule your very own private showing, contact Philip Lebo at 229-221-8094 or go to HaydenOutdoors.com.